Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, let's make a DIY homemade scratch-off cards using scratch-off stickers purchased from Temu and Canva. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool. Use it to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. First, log into Canva, click on custom size. If you are working with a custom sized project like I did, click on custom size, input the dimensions you need. A new page will open up with the dimensions you have entered. The idea here is to make a birthday lotto scratch card 3 in a row wins a prize. Canva has the ultimate guide to font pairing, else you can use any font styles you prefer. Here, what I have done so far is using texts to create a heading, subheading, and create 2 logos on each page. This will be a black and white logo. The LOL dolls that we are using here are outlined so as to preserve the printer ink. This step entails lots of sizing, resizing, placement to see how it fits the theme or whether it's to your liking. Work on 1 scratch cards first, i.e. the top portion, and once you're satisfied, group everything together and duplicate it. Next, add an outline of a birthday cake. Align them. At this stage, I realized that instead of having 2 logos in one page, let's create it into 4 logos in one page. That would be more appropriate for a logo card. Insert a line by clicking on the elements. Look for a line, rotate it to vertical. The logo on the left top quadrant, for whatever reason, has misaligned while resizing it. The bottom one, you rotate it. It has retained its alignment. Next, duplicate what we have here and paste it onto each quadrant. Disclaimer, this scratch card is created purely for fun. This is appropriate for older family members. They could be scratching away and win some little prizes while in attendance at a birthday party. Once you're satisfied with your creation, click on download. Click on the share button on the top right corner, JPEG file. Print them out onto a slightly thicker piece of paper. Then go ahead, take your scratch off stickers, peel them off and stick it onto each image like so. This is how it looks like. Go ahead and stick the stickers onto the rest of your scratch off cards. Nice! Look at that. These are the scratch off cards that we've created. Finally, cut along the lines. Here, using a paper cutter, I have my son cutting off the papers, and this is how they will look like. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other party decorations DIY tutorial. You'll be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.